All right, let's dive into making sushi at home, and yes, you can totally do this. First up, the rice. I rinse my short grain rice until the water's almost clear. Trust me, this makes all the difference. Then I cook it with just the right amount of water, let it steam. While it's still warm, I season it with rice vinegar, sugar, salt. Stir gently, don't smash it. Perfect sushi rice is glossy and a little sticky. Next, let's talk fillings. Fresh tuna, salmon, cucumber, avocado, pickled radish. Slice everything into long, thin strips so it rolls up easily. Grab a bamboo mat and a sheet of nori. Lay the shiny side down. With wet hands, spread a thin, even layer of rice, leaving about half an inch at the top. Arrange your fillings across the center. Don't overstuff, or you'll end up with a sushi explosion. Roll it up tight, using the mat to keep things snug. When you reach the edge, give it a gentle squeeze to seal. For clean slices, use a sharp knife and wipe it down between cuts. Trust me, it makes you look like a pro. Plate your sushi. Wasabi. Pickled ginger. Making sushi at home is way easier than you think. It's insanely satisfying and customizable. Grab your ingredients and get rolling. Have fun with it. See you next time. Happy sushi making!